Hey guys, so today I have an interesting portable LED light lamp that is multifunctional. This lamp can be used on surfaces or you can even hang it somewhere if you'd like. This is the Meco LED portable desk lamp. This is the box that it comes in. It's offered in two other colors as well. Currently we have the orange with us. The box encases the lamp itself and the charging cord. This cord you plug right in on the side and plug into your computer, which is the easiest at least, or if you have an adapter you could plug it into a wall as well. This lamp has a gooseneck feature that provides 360 degrees of flexibility. Now, there are 3 levels of brightness. You press the little power button here, go from dim, a little bit brighter, to the brightest setting. Now, this device has 5 hours of light in the highest level of brightness, which means you can read for a decent amount of time, or maybe if your power went out, you could provide some electricity this way. It's very portable, very lightweight, easy to use. It has a lot of uses. This can be used as a desk lamp if you're on the road or something, or maybe you want to not have something big and clunky next to you. It can also be used as a night light as well, because you can simply put it back in here, and there you go. It brightens up right here, and you just change to your desired setting, and there you go. It can also hang on your backpack, bicycle, maybe even a baby stroller if you're out near dusk or something at a park. That'd be a great way to use it. Or if you're walking home late, you want some security, you would have this as well. You can also carry this in your hand. Perfect, handle to carry around with. And, if you want some comfort or want some a good place to put it elsewhere, you could also have it on your bedpost as well to provide some extra light if you want to get up in the middle of the night and have something to put on without blinding yourself with your regular lights. Alright, so here you have a better look at the lamp itself. You can, as you can tell, it can be very portable. You can just take this off real quick. You can move it up and down. Very bendy, actually, movable as well. You can focus the light wherever you want, turn it in whichever direction, and pick your desired brightness. Now, right now, I have it on the highest brightness, which is the 3rd setting, and it doesn't get hot at all, so your kids could use this if you needed to as well. It's a fun, functional light. And you have no need to worry about batteries, since all you have to do is plug it into your computer or an adapter into the wall. Very simple and easy to use. So here's it close up again. Here you can just push it down and hear it snap. There you go. And as you can tell, the light comes in right around here. Provides a great night light. Here's the back. Of course, this handle is very handy as well. And then all you have to do is pick it up. And there you go, you have your light. Alright, so this is the cool, functional LED portable desk lamp by Meco. Please be sure to check the description for links below on this and for our social media as well. Please keep the comments and your likes coming, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to find out our next review. Thanks for watching.